Welcome to our final lecture in this section. Since we have learned many advanced topics like lambda functions, decorators, and generators, let's take a moment to review the fundamental reserved words, the keywords in Python. You cannot use any of these keywords as variable or function names. 1. Basic control flow and data structure keywords. These are the words you've used most often. If, else, and elif manage branching logic. For and while manage loops with break and continue, modifying loop execution. Return exits a function and in, is, not, and, or are for membership testing and logical operations. Maybe the is keyword is the keyword, you will not often use it. 2. Function and object keywords. This group includes the foundation of object-oriented programming. Def for functions, class for defining custom types, and self for instance methods. We also have the keywords we just covered, lambda for anonymous functions and yield for generators. Global and non-local manage variable scope, and pass is a placeholder for empty code blocks. 3. Exception and module keywords. This group manages error handling. Try, except, finally, raise, and assert. Import, from, and as are used to bring in code from other modules, which we'll cover next. And with may be used for resource management, typically with files. 4. Special keywords. Finally, true and false are the Boolean values and none represents the absence of a value. The keyword del is used to delete references to objects. To summarize, we've learned some of keywords, from simple flow control to advanced functional features like lambda and yield. Knowing these helps you can write code correctly and understand what Python is trying to do. This marks the end of section 13. The next section focuses on structuring and organizing your code into reusable files using modules. We will learn how to import existing libraries and even our own Python files. Join me in section 14 and our next lecture 14.01. Introduction. See you there.